Looking for electrician tools that actually make a difference? You're in the right place. Today, we're revealing some of the newest and most innovative tools on Amazon that can speed up your workflow and improve precision. If you love discovering practical gear, consider subscribing for more weekly tool finds. Fluke T560 electrical voltage. Tracking down electrical problems can be frustrating when you have to switch between multiple testers just to complete a single job. That's where the Fluke T560 stands out, combining voltage, continuity, resistance, and non-contact current measurement into one compact tool. It automatically identifies AC or DC voltage up to 600 volts, reads current up to 100 amps with its open jaw design, and includes slim detachable probes for crowded panels. Built to handle demanding work sites with drop resistance and extended connection protection, it's especially useful for electricians, maintenance technicians, and field service crews. Expect to pay approximately $170. Noyafa NF Y30 on circuit tracer. Finding a hidden wire break or the right breaker can turn into hours of trial and error, especially behind walls or underground. The Noyafa NF 8301 is designed to simplify that process with adjustable signal detection that can trace both live and inactive circuits through materials like drywall, brick, and even buried pathways. It also doubles as a digital multimeter, offers non-contact voltage detection, includes a built-in flashlight for dim work areas, and provides audible signal guidance to reduce guesswork. Electricians, maintenance crews, and serious DIY users will appreciate its all-in-one approach, with pricing around $150. Milwaukee M18 fuel-powered fish tape. Feeding fish tape through long conduit runs or multiple bends can be slow, tiring, and sometimes requires an extra set of hands. This powered auto fish tape helps streamline the process with a brushless motor that assists both feeding and retrieval, making overhead and extended pulls much easier. Interchangeable tape lengths let you match the tool to the job while reducing clutter on the floor for a cleaner workspace. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR cable stripper. Manually stripping large electrical cables can be slow, uneven, and cause wrist fatigue, especially in repetitive tasks. DeWalt's brushless cable stripper is designed to speed up the job by handling copper conductors from number 6 to 750 MCM and aluminum conductors up to 900 MCM, with an adjustable stripping length from 1/2 inch to 4 inches. Speed adjustment, reverse operation, and an integrated LED light make it easy to work accurately in varying conditions. This is a practical solution for commercial electricians and power plant crews, priced at approximately $249. Klein Tools NCVT, FINF a voltage tester. Accidentally working on a live wire is a risk no electrician wants to take, especially when troubleshooting multiple circuits. The Klein Tools NCVT-5A helps eliminate the guesswork with non-contact AC voltage detection from 12 to 1000 volts and clear visual plus audible alerts when power is present. An integrated laser pointer makes it easier to identify targets from a distance, while automatic shutoff and 3-meter drop protection add everyday convenience and durability. At around $31, it's an affordable safety tool that earns a place in almost any toolkit. Stud Finder Wall Scanner Detector. Hanging a shelf or TV mount can quickly go wrong if you drill into the wrong spot or hit a live wire. This 5-in-1 electronic wall scanner helps take the guesswork out of the job by locating wood studs, metal, pipes, and energized AC wiring, with multiple scanning modes for different depths. A backlit display and audio alerts make it easy to identify edges and centers before you start drilling. At around $24, it's an inexpensive tool that can help prevent costly mistakes. Proster LCR Meter. Standard multimeters often struggle with detailed component testing, making it difficult to accurately check capacitors or inductors during repairs. The Proster LCR meter is designed for that job, providing dedicated measurements for inductance, capacitance, and resistance with a clear adjustable LCD and convenient data hold function. Its compact design included test leads and clips, plus automatic power-saving features make it easy to use on the bench or in the field. At around $30, it's a practical diagnostic tool for electronics hobbyists and technicians alike. Topdon TC4 Mini Thermal Imaging Camera. Hidden electrical hotspots and insulation problems can be nearly impossible to spot with the naked eye, leading to expensive repairs if missed. The Topdon TC4 Mini Thermal Camera makes those issues visible by enhancing its 128 by 128 infrared sensor to a sharper 240 by 240 image with TISR technology, while a 25 Hz refresh rate keeps scans smooth and responsive. Temperature alerts, built-in photo storage, and up to 15 hours of battery life make inspections more efficient. It typically sells for around $300, offering impressive capability in a pocket-sized package. Digital angle finder with laser. Cutting or installing materials in perfect alignment can be challenging when you have to use multiple different measuring tools. The Dovo WG3L simplifies the job by combining a digital angle gauge, electronic spirit level, and triple beam green laser into one rechargeable device. Absolute and relative measurement modes make it easy to set custom reference angles, while the magnetic body and swivel wall mount provide increased flexibility for hands-free use. Priced at around $70. Ideal electrical SureTrace digital circuit tracer. Tracking the right breaker or locating hidden wiring faults can turn into a frustrating guessing game, especially in complex electrical systems. The Ideal SureTrace digital circuit tracer simplifies the process by identifying breakers, fuses, dead shorts, and splice issues on circuits up to 480 volts AC or DC. 4 sensitivity levels, a backlit display, and one-person tracing technology help speed diagnostics through walls and other materials while reducing unnecessary trips to the panel. At approximately $190, it's a practical investment for professional troubleshooting and maintenance. Autel PowerScan Automotive Circuit Tester. Electrical problems in a vehicle can be frustrating to diagnose, especially when you're chasing shorts, bad grounds, or faulty components. The Autel PowerScan simplifies troubleshooting by combining voltage, resistance, continuity, and signal testing with the ability to activate components like fans, injectors, and window motors. Its 40-foot total reach, built-in circuit protection, and polarity indicators help you work faster across nearly any 12-volt or 24-volt system. At around $90, it's a versatile diagnostic tool that can save both time and unnecessary parts replacement. GFCI tester, and socket analyzer. Tracking down the right breaker or a bad outlet often turns into a major headache. This circuit breaker finder kit simplifies the task by combining a breaker locator, GFCI tester, and outlet analyzer into one portable package. A built-in LCD displays voltage and signal strength for more confident tracing, while included adapters expand testing to light sockets and bare wires. Packaged with a carrying case and ready-to-use accessories, it costs around $47 and offers a convenient solution for homeowners and electricians alike.